Hey guys, so today I want to cut my hair. Well, not like crazy, but have a little trim because my ends need it. I'll probably have like my mom do the back because I have tons of hair and I don't know how people cut their own hair like that. But I want to give myself like some framing around the face. I'm kind of nervous about it, but Brad Mondo showed me everything I needed to know. At least I hope he has. So I have to wash this, and yeah, I think I'm gonna get my mom to cut it today, but she's working right now, so it might wait for another day. But I want to do like face framing. Like I have some like long bangs and stuff, but that's about it. So yeah, let's go wash this hair. It needs it. My hair's like already drying. So we're gonna cut it that length for now. If we need to go back in, we'll go back in. It's always best to go smaller at first and then just go back in if you need to. Do these front pieces. And also, we're not hairstylists or anything, we're just doing it ourselves. This part behind your ear. I'm gonna go in with this like razor thing just because it'll go smoother. So we're gonna start with this side. See how I have like longer bangs and then it like drops to straight, like long? I'm gonna try blending that. Just a little framing around the face. Sorry if I'm like not really looking the mirrors over here. I know what you guys are thinking. You can go to a salon, but I go to a salon and I come home with my hair up to here. So if I mess it up, it's on me. I want to kind of style it, but like, let's see what else I should do to it, because like it's getting crazy. We're gonna style this and then come back, but look at all. So I blew it out and I touched it up just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can really tell, it's a little dark, so it's hard to see, but you can kind of tell. But I did cut a good amount. Like I said, this was botched by somebody else, but that's kind of what we have going on. So just some layering around the face framing type. And I'm trying not to use heat really on my hair, but I just wanted to touch it up straightened and see what it looks like straightened and stuff like that. But yeah, this is me cutting my hair for the first time, like, here. And those little razor things really work. You can find them pretty much anywhere, like TJ Maxx, Target, anywhere. And it just takes the right amount off and you just razor it in. So I just got my coffee for today before I go to work. And I figured this natural lighting, sorry, I'm just keep touching my hair. This natural lighting can show it a little bit better. So you can kind of tell where it is. This side I feel like I'm still gonna have to play with a little bit just because these, I'm not even gonna go into it. But yeah, I love face framing. It really like compliments you, and yeah, you can definitely tell better in this lighting. How many times do I touch my hair in this video? A lot. But yeah, I'm gonna play with this side more, but it's not bad. So yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna go to work now. I'll see you guys later. I'm not a hairstylist, so don't come for me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to thumbs up the video and be sure to subscribe for future content. I am trying to figure out what I want to do for now on. I want to do more like lifestyle vlogs type videos and things like that, but I also love hair and stuff. So I'm just trying to find a good mixture and just filming what I want to and what makes me happy. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.